What it do, guys? Reggie P here. Hey, would you like to get a chance to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, like this video and all my videos, drop a comment down below, which is hashtag the grind is real. Share this video and all my videos on Instagram. Make sure you follow me at appgrind. And once I reach 4,000 subscribers, I'm going to randomly pick somebody that follow these guidelines and they will get a chance to win the free money. So if you want to get a chance to win some free money today, subscribe now. Now let's get into this video. This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on. Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make $10 an hour with these two free apps. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And sometimes I give away free money. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button right now. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel and it helps out this video. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions, concerns, or opinions on what I'm talking about today in this video. And also don't forget to type hashtag the grind is real so you can get a chance to win this free money once I hit 4,000 subscribers. And it's very, very important that you follow me on Instagram. And this is my Instagram username right here at AppGrind. Go there, follow me, and DM me hashtag the grind is real so you can get a chance to win this free money once I hit 4,000 subscribers. All right, please watch this video all the way to the very end, because I don't want you to miss these two apps. I've never talked about these apps before, so please don't miss out. Watch it all the way to the very end. So let's go ahead right now and jump over to my computer and show you these two apps. Let's grind and let's get it. All right, I'm at the first app, and the name of this app is App Flame. Play games and get rewards. So like I said, this is a new app. I've never checked it out before, so this is my first time letting you guys know about this app. So let's just scroll down here and see what it's all about. So it says here, get App Flame for free, no deposits. Choose and play your favorite game from our list. Get rewards from every minute you spend playing games. So every minute that you play the game, you're going to be getting rewards. That's pretty good. Are you looking for the app that pays you to play games? So App Flame is completely free app to use, offering you opportunity to earn real money by playing games on your phone, by playing games on your mobile phone. Sorry about that. So it says here, discover and play new popular games every day from our list. And you're going to spend time with them and earn coins, trade coins for gift cards such as Amazon, Google Play, PlayStation, and of course, PayPal account. Now, this is how it works. So you get App Flame. Now play any of the free games, earn coins for every second you play. The more you play, the more you get out of it. Trade your coins for any gift cards or real cash rewards. So they just say, basically right here where it says why App Flame, they just basically saying the same thing we just got through talking about up there, so I'm not going to go over that. All right, let me scroll down here and look at one of the reviews. All right, this person right here said, really good app in general. I played for a week and got $5, which was awesome. So that person is happy. He got $5 within a week. I know that don't sound like much, but you're playing games, you're having fun playing games, and you're making a quick $5. And let's read one more. So this person right here, Lisa, she said, it's legit, took 2 days, and I was able to get $10 Walmart gift card, and it came in my Facebook fast. So this person got $10 in 2 days. So that was pretty good. So it all depends on probably how long you play the games and how much you play the games. So when you download this and start playing games, play those games as long as you can. All right, that's all I'm going to say about this app right here. So if you're ready to go ahead and start making some money playing games, go to App Flame in the Google Play Store. And it's also in the app Apple Store. All right, let me go ahead and go to the second app. All right, I'm at the second app, and the name of this app is 1Q. Now, this is something like a survey app, so you're going to get paid when you answer a simple question. And as you can see right here, let's look at some samples on here. So it's going to be questions like this. Where do you get your morning coffee? So you answer the question and submit. And let's go to another one. Okay, they probably don't have another one, but this was going to happen. Once you answer that question, they're going to send a message, say, congrats, you just been paid 25 cents via PayPal. So you get paid immediately. Once you answer this question, you get paid immediately. So if you answer a lot of questions within an hour, you can probably make up to $10 an hour on this app, just answering those little simple questions. I mean, that's the fastest I ever seen a survey type of app. Uses a lot of questions and it takes 20-30 minutes. So that's pretty good. So it says here, 1Q pays you or your charity to choose an instant 25 cents every time you answer a simple question. So you're going to get 25 cents every question that you answer. So you're going to need to have PayPal. And they said if you don't want to get the money, you just want to donate, you'll be able to donate to a charity. So how it works is companies all over the world are interested in your opinion or in simply sending you an offer based on who you are and or where you are. And let's see what else it says. I'm just going to look at the key points here. So again, you get 25 cents for 10 seconds of your time. So basically, you're just going to be answering questions on certain products, and you're going to be helping these companies. So let's go ahead and scroll down here and look at the rating. So we got a 4.3 out of 5 stars. Anything over 4 is very, very good. So this person right here, Brittany, says, I love 1Q. They notify you when a question they think is suitable for you to answer comes along. The only thing is that they only give you a very short time frame to answer it before they expired. So once you get that question, you got to hurry up and answer it to get paid, or it's going to expire. And let's see, let's read this one right here. Samantha only had it for a few days, already earned over $1. So that person only had it for a few days and already got $1. All right, so that's all I'm going to say about this app. So if you're ready to go ahead and make some money just answering simple little questions, go to 1Q and that's in Google Play. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away though, please hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 100 likes. It's really going to help out this video if I can get 100 likes, because YouTube like a lot of likes on videos, and if I get 100 likes, YouTube's going to push my video out there to more people, because everybody need to watch these videos that I drop, because we all need to make this money online. It's time to do that. And also drop a comment down below if you have any questions about these 2 apps that I mentioned in this video. And remember, don't forget to type hashtag the grind is real so you can get a chance to win this free money once I hit 4,000 subscribers. And please share this all around the internet, because I really do want to help everybody I can, everywhere, on all social media networks. And lastly, please subscribe to my channel if you're new, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. All right, Grind family, thanks again for your support. Keep supporting the brother, and we're going to keep growing. Like I've said before in the past, this is not my channel. This is the Grind family channel, and you guys are the Grind family, and we're going to grow. We're going to the top, and we're going there fast. So please keep sharing and keep watching. One more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Go check out some of my other videos until my next one come out. Deuces.
Get your grind on, yeah. 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 Get your grind on, yeah.